Okay. So, excellent downstay. He's checking out those men over there. Good downstay. You stay put. Let's see if we got any of this. They don't have the Ultra here. Excellent downstay. You do that really well. Ooh, we might have to look at the toys. Now we got toys. Oh, what an excellent downstay. And boy, oops. He does that very well. He's very good at it. Yeah. Excellent. Good boy. Let's see if I can do this. Usually I have him tied to Aaron or P. Oh, what an excellent downstay. So that's a out of sight downstay. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Let's see. You stay put. I'm looking at things. Uh-oh. 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 On the ground now. Now. Yes. He's getting a little nervous. On the ground. Good. You stay put. Thank you. Good boy. You do that really well. Maybe you need a little bone. Okay. Okay. Let's go look at buckets.